Hey guys, how's it going? It's Sam. So today we have the Yes, I Am Jihyo photo books. So actually just one photo book, but two different covers. The contents are the same. So we'll go ahead and just open both for the photo cards and the envelope things, the accordion sets, and then we'll just look at one book. All right. So I'm going to go with yellow first. I think I prefer yellow. I think the picture is just really aesthetic. Obviously blue is beautiful too, but I think the way the scene's set up here is just a little bit prettier. So let's go top. So this is the same dimensions as the previous books. Yes, I am Jui. Yes, I am Mina. And yes, I am Sana. Accordion book. It comes in a little sleeve as well. So there's yellow. And then we'll open up blue as well, just to get the accordion books out of the way first. Okay, so this blue is really close to the Jui blue, I feel. But it's supposed to be cobalt blue, and this is lemon yellow. Okay, so you can barely even see the text here, but it is there, the white, yes, I am Jihyo. First photo book. Kind of a questionable color choice, I think, for the text. Ooh, so a letter from Jihyo. Okay, and then let's pull out the accordion postcards. Obviously, Jihyo looks great in all the photos, but I have a particular fondness for this basketball one. It's very casual. Okay. And there was that story about JRP making her play basketball to grow as like a trainee. I think that was really funny. Okay, so that's the yellow card book. And now for the blue. I think these are a little different. The tabs aren't the same as the old one. The other numbers. Okay, whoa, it's a different letter. I don't remember if that's the same for the other members, but it's a different letter for sure. You can tell from what she wrote to begin with. So these are all this way. So that's kind of unique. Very, very different dimensions. Little Red Riding Hood vibes here. All right, that's it for the blue version. Next up, we're gonna get the photo cards from each book. Okay. So the blue letter is the same as the one in the book. And the photo cards, here we go. Sorry, I threw it down there. No special card. We'll go over the photo book in a bit. Let's get the photo card out of this one too. I actually really like the blue, the yellow coloring. I don't know if the blue will be as cool, in my opinion. Let's see. Here's the blue one. Oh, it's quite nice too, cobalt blue. But I think the lemon yellow just works really well. I'm just a big fan of the color. Okay, so we're gonna put the blue one away because it's the same book. So put the blue one away for now. Version. Put that over here. And then we're gonna go over the cards and we'll look at the book, okay? All right, so cards. Let's do the blue one. These are like with drama holographic style. Like with drama always has this kind of horizontal, or sorry, like diagonal holographic texture. Okay, sorry. There's the focus. 2 cards. Okay. And then we have the yellow version. I think this photo is probably my favorite one, this photo card. But this is beautiful too. All right, now for the book we've all been waiting for. Yes, I Am Jihyo, first photo book. Make sure things in frame. Okay. First we have like casual pajamas. Kind of disappointing she's not wearing the Jihyo design ones. Oops, that was loud. Sorry. It's like an IKEA catalog, this picture. But look, the yellow and the blue really work well. So her outfit here is blue, and the lemon yellow. It's really nice. I think it will give a different vibe if you watch it, if you open it and read it with the blue version. So my advice to get both. And Jihyo's smile will definitely wake anyone up. So bright, gives you a lot of energy. And that's it for the first concept. Kind of reminds me of one of the Mina concepts from her book, right? Like, oh wait, just kidding, there's more. This is like brushing your teeth now. Interesting. Oh, see, blue and yellow. The contrast is real. Okay, now making a lot of dishes at once. I wonder if Jihyo helped at all preparing this food first, or if like some poor intern. Oh, so we have 10 here, so it's like twice and once maybe for 10. What happened here? There's like a big spill. I'm gonna go a little faster. Gotta get back to work. Some retro vibes here, right? Like diner vibes. Is that clear cook? Stickers, face. Oh, 38 out of 39. So I think this is the end of this concept. Oh, just kidding. I'm dumb. This is 38 and 39. Page 38 and 39. So it is numbered to an extent. Dang, Jihyo's just wearing like a black t-shirt here, but you can tell she has this like supermodel vibes. Right? Simple shirt, little necklace, but you can tell it's a photo shoot. She should have her own magazine, like the Allure. That'd be really cool. This has been on Vogue too. We should just use Twice magazines. Dang, Jihyo really killed this like simple black top tutorial. Her eyes are shining there. Oh, next concept. Finally, there's Jihyo's photo book. I think having a headband like this always gives me retro vibes. So I'm sorry if I say retro a lot, but this is like a more casual version of that diner concept earlier, I think. This set reminds me of like a fashion catalog, like a Gap or something, you know, like a casual clothing brand. Oh, and we have the handkerchief again. So cute. Oh, now we have gaming. I don't know what she's playing. Definitely like not a mainstream gaming thing. Maybe one of those like one of those retro. There's the word again. And I can't tell what this is. This is Sink or Swim. Never heard of that. But there's Jenga, which, fun fact, I'm not a Jenga fan. I'm really bad at it. But she looks to be pretty good. And you can't tell what she's playing, but it's like she has a remote control and she's controlling you. Ooh, dang, it's still standing. It's nice, so this is like the gamer concept. And now we have guitar concept. It's like a doll in this. It's outfit she wore during the ASMR video. So, oh, vinyl. Not sure what she's playing. I think this would be a really cool, like, solo concept. It is like, you know, a classic acoustic guitar, but Jihyo's outfit really, I don't know, I really like it. Reminds me of Pineapple a little bit. And this definitely, you know, makeup concept. Ooh, Jihyo flexing the cursive. This feels like an MV to me. Right? Like if she was gonna have a music video, it would be this concept for sure. Now we go outdoors. I do think the yellow works really well with this book. But again, I recommend getting both for both the feels. Jihyo and a cat. I wonder why they didn't just make a whole, I don't know, art, right? There we go. Oh, now we have a surf concept. The red is very similar to, like, you know, Baywatch red. Surfer girl Jihyo. I wonder if they'll actually go in the water. Probably not for this photo shoot, but I hope she had the chance to try if she wanted to during the shoot itself. I'm sure they shoot this over a couple of days, so some free time afterwards. And then, oh, maybe this was shot on the same day, probably. I guess they were in Gangwon, which is like, it's like an island, Gangwon-do. Yeah, this is the cover of this photo book, I believe, like this setting. I mean, it is, not I believe. Dang. Ooh, full page Jihyo, mesmerizing eyes. I think I'll stop for that. Okay. Oh my god, more pages. Wow. This is a killer. Oh, and this picture. Dang, they really saved the best for like the end here. Full page. This is a little bit like more and more vibes, you know, like the hippie kind of patterns. Ooh, this is a really cool visual. Now we have, this is, feels like tourist photos. Dang, there's like no one here. Secluded beach. And then last, or maybe last, one of the last ones at least, the tennis concept with a really old school racket. So I think this one matches the blue color for sure, which is why they had it the cover of the blue. But Jihyo here looks like the student that excels in everything and you're really jealous of. Like she's good at tennis, school, singing, music. Prep school queen, right? There might be one or two concepts left actually. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot about this, the basketball one. Oh wow, I really love this. The colors and the casual outfit. We should have like a video of Jihyo playing basketball. That'd be fun to watch. Maybe they'll do it for TTT. They're at a school. And also it's like a horror concept, but there's daytime too, right? Oh, there we go. Feel a full game though. Oh, I keep forgetting about concepts. There's still this, the pigtails one. And here, blue and yellow really, again, with the skateboard and her outfit. I wish I could zoom in a little more, but the book's so big. I'll keep it like this. Skate park. Do they have these in Korea? I'm sure they do, just here, but I'm surprised. She doesn't really do this concept that much, but really pulled off really well. Pigtails. And oh, this is the same park, but totally different outfit, and she gives completely different vibes, right? Nice. I love how they have a lot of these big page photographs because Jihyo's eyes are really mesmerizing, really big, and I think without doing full pages of headshots, it's really a disservice, right? Oh, she has roller blades. And we're wrapping up. There we go. The letter again. And that is it. So the book is the same for both versions, so I'm not going to go over the first one again. But yeah, I love this book. I think it's really, really beautiful. I think of all the books, the color has the most impact in this one, like the yellow and blue. So yeah, that's it. Again, the same dimensions as the previous books and same inclusions. No special card from these two. Hopefully we'll get one from the next couple from the group order, but we'll see. For now, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.